Mooregirl, and welcome back to my channel. I know it sounds kind of echoey, but guess what? Finally we doing our laundry room. I'm doing my laundry room tour, sort of like an organization. Unfortunately, I lost my footage for the before, so I'm not going to really quite call it a makeover, but I'm going to show you how I store things in my small space. But actually, my laundry room is not as small as I've seen in some people's homes. It's a nice size laundry room. As you see, I can just walk around here. It's a nice size space. This is rental friendly. This is apartment. This is a large unit, but the room is about 7 feet by 6 feet or 7 by 7. So it's a good size laundry room. I used to store Christmas decorations here, but I'll show you where I store them now. I store them in like the YouTube room in the studio. And this space was basically for storage, and that's all it was. It was really junky storage, and I used it for, you know, to use a kitty litter. So I have several litter back here, and basically that's all it is. So what inspired me to do this was, you know, I needed to clean and organize it. And sometimes it's better that we are in a space that we're going to be in here for a minute, because we know the laundry room is just like the absolute worst place other than the garage or a basement, if you have one, to be in. It's this type of room that you want to get in and you want to get out. So I'm going to show you my inspiration, why I got inspired, how I designed my laundry room around this idea. Weird idea, but this is what it is. My picnic basket. So my picnic basket is my inspiration for my design for the laundry. As I was changing out this space to be from a storage facility into like a laundry room again, and I remember I had a picnic basket here, and I'm looking in here and I'm thinking of all the nice plaid colors. I'm thinking of all the natural woods in here. So I figure instead of me doing something like the acrylic and the plastic Dollar Tree type of storage and the stackables, you know, I'm doing this for my lifestyle. I am, you know, a empty nester, so I don't have a bunch of children to run around. I don't have a whole lot of laundry to do. So my designs, whatever you in my place, is always for my particular lifestyles. I'll try to give you tips for small space storage. I downsized from a 3-story home to just a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So that works for me. So again, I'm going to show you, it's already been pretty much clean. I still got a little wiping down to do. I'm going to show you basically my laundry room, okay? I came up with some cute ideas. Like I said, it was different. I didn't want acrylics. I didn't want stackables. I didn't want bins going across, even though I was going to do that at first. But the reason why is because I store things in other rooms. So, you know, I don't store a lot of things in the laundry room. So each bathroom has its own storage. The kitchen has a storage. I organize each area. So therefore, I don't need to have abundance of stuff. So basically, this is my laundry room. And like I said, it is a nice space. And here it is. I do store her litter box. You know, it gets a little messy sometimes. And this is the washer and the dryer. I did paint already. Like I said, I lost that footage. And I also added shelves here. This came with 2 wire shelves this side and this side, which is a nice space for storage. And also right here is where I store. It's just basically a storage stuff here. So I do have plenty of space where I don't need to store everything in my laundry room. It was kind of annoying me when I kept seeing it. So basically, it wasn't that it was junky. It's just that to me, I had a better fit to put other things in. So let's get started on what I did to improve this laundry room. Down here, I got this wicker basket from the Goodwill, and I saw this and I thought this was another color that was a theme. And this way, like with the picnic basket, I wanted to go more of the natural fibers. I wanted to go more of baskets like this rather than something that's stackable. Something with just a little bit more character. I think this in our haul, this was only about $4.99. And this is one of the things that I wanted to wait till now to show you the haul. And basically, the only thing I'm doing is putting in paper towels. So this is just to store my paper towels here. The other paper towels that I have are also stored in each and every one I got. And I got this from the Goodwill as well. This was only like a couple dollars. I thought it was just cute. Everything is still with the black theme, some tans and some white. And when I saw it, my Febreze, and I just store everything here. And I'm Mrs. Myers. So everything, all my cleaning supplies go here. And then I also have some Scentsies here as well. And I place them back here. And I also have baking soda for Sarah's. And then I have some gloves. I always keep a little thing of gloves. These little jars here, the mason jars, the big ones I got from Walmart. The cutest thing I got for Sarah is this here. I thought this was adorable. I got this from Walmart, and this is for the doggies bag that you pull out when you clean the dogs with. But because I can easily clean her litter that like every morning, you know, before I have to change it, so I just. These baskets for extra storage. Now these here, it just holds like my water for the steamer, some iron cleaner, and things like that. And I'll put like extra paper towels or anything like that. If I have any extra storage that I need here for cleaning supplies, I can put this here. So what I did was, again, I sprayed this. Okay, this was blue, and I had this on my patio, and it wasn't really functioning for me in that space. So I took them in and sprayed everything black, and I took the material because it had like another buffalo checker that was blue and white. So I wanted to keep it with the theme here. So I kept this sort of, like I said, pick the basket black and white here. And even though the other side is a natural brown, I didn't want to change anything. And of course you can't find brown and black buffalo checker, so I kept it here. I just took material I got from Walmart, sewed it in half, and then just glued it here. So again, this is storage. And these again are from Goodwill. Now this here is the cute little thing I got from Goodwill. So I will put like an extra rag here from cleaning, or also what I do if I'm losing a sock, if I'm missing a sock, I'll just hang this here. This is magnet, but I end up putting the little tabs here just to keep it secure. Another basket. So again, this one I use for Sarah. So I have her litter here that I store in here. So I store kitty litter in these bags, and when I clean it, and these are the extra little plastic bags that go with this, and this goes up here. The Swiffer pads here, I put them in the corner because I'll be using basically a couple times a week. And I have any extra ones I'll put in the kitchen. Okay, so this side here, I have another wire basket that I painted. So this goes here and here. Here, and with this I put is my steamer. And this again I got from Goodwill. I'll put my steamer over here and my iron over here. Okay, remember this is all Goodwill. These are all Goodwill items because you know everything I do, guys, is all about Goodwill, and also using things for what they are and just redesigning them. Another thing I want to show you is I just wanted to show you my space here. This here I thought was really, really cute. I needed something for the wall. I was going to put pictures up here, but I didn't want anything like too heavy. And I found some willows here that was on sale at Michael's for, I think they were 70% off, so I got these. So this is a little cute little bucket. And initially I was going to put linen there, but I figured I had an opening here. So I just actually, again, I got the extra material, painted it. I painted the back of it so it looked like it's 2 or 3 dimensional, and just put some willows in there. And I could also put some fall decor there as well. Alright guys, so one of the last things I got was, of course, is my ironing stuff. So I have my little ironing board, which is a mini one here. My collapsible. Okay, so I put this one on the side of the washer to save space. My ironing goes right here. Board I place right here on this side of the room, so I have space here. But I got to show you something that's really, really cute that I got from Amazon. So I have this sort of pad. Okay, and this here, you can take this anywhere. You can put it on the table, you can put it on your bed. I thought, is this a cloth? And actually is. This is like the ironing board cover. And I'll show if you've seen it. I got it on Amazon for about, and I can link this to you, for $9 or no, maybe $12.99. I'll link it. I'm not exactly sure how much it costs. It is, it's a magnet. See? So if you want to do any type of ironing, it doesn't move. So guys, that is it for my laundry room. Only thing I have to do now is put my rug down. Everything else I have is functional. Like I said, this works for me. Okay guys, so that is my laundry room. Again, like I said, my laundry room functions for me and my lifestyle. Okay, so I don't need to have like a whole lot of used storage climbing all the way up. That's why I did it the way I do. Like extra paper towels goes in the pantry, they go in the kitchen. I have other places I can display them unless I want to do like and I don't get an abundance and stuff. I'm not an extreme shopper. I get for what I need for a couple of weeks. So I do not have my house like a storage facility. What works for others does not work for me. I kept it in the style of the basket was my inspiration, then I carried it through. I had a can of black spray paint. I know you see me with the black, white, silver, gold, whatever going through. It would just happen to be maybe just a coincidence that happened. The sign here, really cute, I got from Hobby Lobby. Most of the things in here, of course, is from Goodwill. Things I have been collecting. I did not show it in my haul because I wanted to wait till now to show this to you. The bleach and the detergent containers were at Walmart. Again, they're about $6.97. The other things that holds the pots was Hobby Lobby. There was Ikea. For the Swiffer that holds the Ikea, of course your hangers you get anywhere from Dollar Tree to in the store, and my cleaning supplies here. Again, the baskets here, or it's all Goodwill. My picnic basket I had, oh my God, I love it. I had that maybe 15 years now, or 20 years. I had it a long time, so, and I pulled it out. Like I said, this whole shelf used to be all Christmas decorations. It was thrown together, it was just clutter, and it was a mess, and unfortunately I lost the footage to show you. But I will show you. Basically, I have it in my studio lined up there, and that way I like it a little better because it's still, this functions for me, and the decorations either go here or they go in the other room. Because even though I have, you know, like a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, I have a lot of storage for such a unit. As you've seen, my YouTube and studio room is 27 feet long. This is a big unit. This is probably, like I said, again, the size of a small Las Vegas home, or like the older homes. So yes, I did look up on this unit, you know, and I have this whole laundry room. Now I have seen some of you guys' laundry rooms in these large homes. It's not this large, and I think this might be 6 to 8 feet, 10 feet. And I know this is 6 feet going across, and I think this stretch out maybe 10 feet. Again, you know, I really looked up with a unit like this, you know. Again, this here came from Magnetic. This came from Amazon. These shelves here I got from Goodwill, but you can get these anywhere. Target. These are for the cabinet shelves that you put in. All I did was kept them, sprayed them black. They were white, they was dingy, they were old. I sprayed them black lacquer, and that was it. And then whatever cleaning supplies I need here, the basket will hold storage if I need extra. Sarah litter stuff is on this side here, and also my little doggy thing here. So like in the mornings I can just rip it out, clean her litter, and take it out in the trash. Like I say, everything functions in this room for this space, you know. And I think, you know, I hope you guys got some inspiration. I know some of your places are a little smaller, but again, it works for me. Alright, so again, do what works with you. And if you like to get everything that's, I didn't want to get the acrylics, I didn't want to see anything. Like I don't want to see my paper towels and stuff like that in acrylic. And if I do have to see them, they're kind of like really cute, just thrown in there, you know, sort of like that little style of just like a basket. So my laundry basket that collapsed was from Homegoods. And again, it was kind of hard to find. So I know I seen one at the beginning of the year and I couldn't find it for a while, so only grabbed one. And when I take it out, pop it out, and when I'm done my laundry, put it back and put it back in here. So I have several ways to do ironing. If I need to do something here, small one here, large iron, steamer. So I got everything in this space covered for what I need for my laundry needs. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. I'm sorry it took so long to show it, but it was just trying to get everything together for you and explain to you and find things, because remember, I get things from Goodwill. I do not go to Homegoods and Ross and stuff like that, because I like to show you how you could take something that's for something else and put it in your decor. So sometimes it may take me longer to complete a video. It's because I'm trying to be creative in my space and my DIYs. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you on the next one. And we're going to be doing soon the whole tour of all my Goodwill finds. I couldn't do it until I showed you the laundry room. Like everything I got from the Goodwill that I DIY or kept natural, I'm going to show you towards probably like September. Alright, so alright guys, I will see you in the next video. And this is your Mooregirl. Alright guys, bye.